In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome email with Beehiiv automation. We'll walk through the exact steps to create a simple automation so that every new subscriber gets an immediate, friendly welcome email without you lifting a finger after the initial setup. First, open your Beehiiv dashboard by heading to the main Beehiiv app in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your publication. From here, look for the menu and click on Audience. This is where everything related to your subscribers lives. Inside the audience area, find and click on Automations. Automations are what allow Beehiiv to send emails on your behalf based on specific events, like someone joining your list. On the Automations page, click on Create Automation. In this tutorial, we're keeping things basic so you can understand the layout and the core options. Later on, you can come back and play around with more advanced customization and multi-email sequences. You'll now be asked to choose a trigger, which is what starts the automation. For a welcome email, select the trigger called Signed Up. This tells Beehiiv to run this workflow every time someone new subscribes to your newsletter. Once the trigger is in place, you'll see it in your workflow builder. Just below that trigger, click on the plus icon. This is how you add steps to the automation. From the list of available actions, choose Send Email. This step will be the actual welcome email your subscribers receive. Next, click on Create Email. Beehiiv will show you some options for building that email. If you don't want to design everything from scratch, pick a template that's related to sign up or welcome emails. This can save you a lot of time and gives you a solid starting structure. After selecting a template, edit and configure it to match your brand and your goals. Update the subject line so it's clear and inviting, change the text to introduce yourself or your newsletter, and consider adding a quick overview of what subscribers can expect. You might also include a call to action, like reading a popular article or replying to say hello. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. Then exit the email editor to go back to the main automation workflow. As a final step, click on Preview to review how the automation will run, and when you're satisfied, click Publish. Your welcome email automation is now live and will automatically send to every new subscriber.